I know that Dr. Pacini, she's able to answer all those questions, maybe not in real time, but she likes to answer emails, so feel free to write her emails and she will be happy to give all the information she has. And by the way, we have 13, 14 years of experience, so I think we have seen them all. Maybe not, maybe there is always some surprise. So all these questions, they have an answer that is based on our decade-long observation.
Yep, yeah, no, she's been doing a great job in the comments there, and I'm having a hard time trying to figure out what she has and hasn't answered as well. But Ed, I guess it's always a lot of these questions are good to,
I have seen one point, however, that I don't know if it has been answered previously or not, and I think this merits clarification. The Bravo cream is made in the US, but the microbes, they do come from Switzerland. Okay, so no risk of of US antibiotics or US hormones. So the rest of the cream is made in the US, but the microbes, they do come from the same Demeter certified manufacturing manufacturing facility where we make the Bravo. So they come from there.
Yeah, you forgot to mention when you were talking about the cream, Dr. Ruggiero. That's well, I think you mentioned it offhand, but you should have made a bigger deal out of it. If you want a really good sleep, you should use
yes,
the Bravo cream as well.
I think this would require an entire hour-long conversation. But the cream originally was developed exactly for this reason, for anxiety and sleep. And if you apply the cream on the back of your ears, where the skin is the thinnest, with the exception of the eyelids, but you don't want to put any cream in close proximity of the eyes. Well, if you apply it before bedtime, it has a very powerful effect on the quality of sleep. So not only induction of sleep, but also the quality, the REM phase, dreaming, and all these things. Today we were talking about cancer, so I didn't spend much time on this effect of the cream. I just mentioned briefly that it has a calming effect because of GABA, but actually the cream is wonderful for improving the quality of sleep. And also it has a very powerful anti-pain properties. So if you have a sprained ankle, or if you have a muscle pain or a tendon pain, joint pain because you have exercised too much in the gym, or the cream works miraculously on that pain. But one day, if you wish, we can talk about the cream for about 1 hour. Today I just mentioned it briefly, but the cream is extremely effective.